Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install the fine mesh screen in your LG dishwasher. It's very easy to do. It doesn't require any special tools. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So some of the reasons why you may find you need to replace that filter is over time they will tend to wear and break down and the mesh will start to develop holes, thereby negating the effect of the filter. As well as you may find that you're starting to notice some performance as far as the dishes not coming completely clean and you're not getting good clean water that's washing those dishes and you're finding food debris up on top of the dishes. To gain access to the filter, you're simply going to open the door, remove the rack, and you just need to line up your spray arm so that you have more than enough room to bring that filter up and out. So you're just going to take hold of the filter, turn it counterclockwise to release it, and just lift it straight out. And that'll bring your fine mesh filter out with it. So now you just separate that filter from the fine mesh. So now to install your fine mesh screen, it's just a matter of setting it back into place. It can only go one way, so there's no problem in how to mount it. Once that's in place, you're just going to take your filter cartridge, press it down into place, rotate it clockwise until it locks, rotate your spray arm to make sure it's clear, put your rack back in. You can close up your door and you're ready to do dishes. So there you can see just how easy it is to install a new filter in the base of your Samsung dishwasher.